In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to pages in Google Sites. Buttons are perfect for guiding visitors to the right spot, whether that's a contact page, a sign-up form, or an external resource. I'll walk you through adding a button, naming it clearly, and linking it to the right destination so it looks professional and works exactly as expected. First, open your site in Google Sites and make sure you're in edit mode on the page where you want the button to appear. You should see the editing canvas in the center and the tools on the right. If you only see a preview, switch back to editing so you can make changes. Next, look to the right-hand panel and find the Insert options. Choose Button. If your window is narrow and you don't see it immediately, expand the panel or scroll until the button option is visible. Clicking Button opens a small setup window. In the setup window, enter the button's name. This is the text people will see on the button itself. Keep it short and action-oriented. Phrases like, "Contact us," "Learn more," or "Get started" work well. Clear labels help visitors understand exactly what happens when they click, which improves engagement. Now, add the link. In the link field, type or paste the destination you want the button to open. You can use a full URL, like a form or a document, or link to another page on your site. As you type, Sites often suggests your existing pages, so you can pick the right one without copying a URL. Make sure the link is correct and uses the proper format, HTTPS for external sites, so there are no errors. If you're linking to a file or a form, check that the sharing settings allow your audience to view it. When the name and link look good, click Insert. Your new button will appear on the page. You can drag it to the exact spot you want, align it with other elements, and place it within a section for consistent spacing. The site's theme will automatically style the button to match your design, keeping things cohesive. If you need the button bigger or smaller, place it in a layout that gives it the right visual weight and breathing room. That's it. Your button is ready. Use descriptive names, double-check your links, and keep placement consistent across pages so visitors always know where to click. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a cleaner, more clickable Google site.